Hello everyone, good evening. In this video, we are going to discuss current affairs of June 1 and 2, 2021. Top 15 questions with answers. Questions can be asked in all upcoming competitive exams. First question. Which state has launched Mukhyamantri Bal Seva Yojana for kids orphaned due to COVID-19? Answer, Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has launched a welfare scheme for those children who have lost either one or both parents due to COVID-19. More points. Uttar Pradesh is an state in northern India with over 200 million inhabitants. It is the most populous state in India as well the most populous country subdivision in the world. Population 20.42 crores. Governor Anandiben Patel. Capital is Lucknow. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. Current affairs of Uttar Pradesh. The Uttar Pradesh government said it has won E-Panchayat Puraskar 2021, ranking first in category. It was followed by Assam and Chhattisgarh at the second position, while Odisha and Tamil Nadu stood third, the government said. Second point, a proposal of affordable rental house and complexes scheme was approved by Uttar Pradesh cabinet presided over Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, an official statement said on Friday. Third point, Uttar Pradesh will soon be the state with maximum number of international airports in the country. Fourth point, an international level Ramayana Museum and Cultural Center will be established on 10 acres of land at Ramasenhi Ghat between Ayodhya and Lucknow. Next question. What is the theme of World No Tobacco Day 2021? Answer, Commit to Quit. World No Tobacco Day 2021, health benefits of quitting smoking and tips to effectively kick the habit. The World Health Organization has designated 31st May as World No Tobacco Day. The theme this year is Commit to Quit, which assumes significant importance in the present times of COVID-19 pandemic. Third question. Which organization has launched military drills Steadfast Defender 2021? Answer, NATO. The war games dubbed Steadfast Defender 2021 are aimed at stimulating the 30 nation military organizations' response to an attack on any one of its members. NATO. The North Atlantic Treaty Organization, also known as North Atlantic Alliance, is an intergovernmental military alliance between 30 European and North American countries. The organization implements the North Atlantic Treaty that was signed on 4th April 1949. It was founded on 4 April 1949, Washington, D.C., United States. Headquarters is at Brussels, Belgium. Founders, United States, France, United Kingdom, Italy, Canada, etc. Next question. Name the scheme launched by government for mentoring young authors. Answer, Yuva PM. Ministry of Education launched Yuva Prime Minister's scheme for mentoring young authors. The Ministry of Education today announced Yuva Prime Minister's scheme for mentoring young authors. It is an Indian author and mentorship program to train young and budding authors below 30 years. Narendra Modi announcement in May 2021. First point, Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Wednesday approved assistance Rs 1000 crore for immediate relief activities in Gujarat after conducting an aerial survey of areas hit by Cyclone Taukte in the state, an official release said. Second point, the Prime Minister said that children who lost their guardians due to COVID-19 will get a monthly stipend once they turn 18 and the fund of 10 lakh when they turn 23 from PM Cares. Third point, Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday released the 8th installment of financial benefit of over 20,000 crore to over 9.5 crore beneficiary farmers under Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi scheme via video conferencing. Fourth point, Prime Minister Narendra Modi released the Hindi translation of the book Odisha Idihas written by Utkal Keshari, Dr. Haresh Krishna Mahatma. More points. Narendra Damodar Das Modi is an Indian politician serving as the 14th and current Prime Minister of India since 2014. He was the Chief Minister of Gujarat from 2001 to 2014 and is the Member of Parliament of Varanasi. Modi is a member of Bharatiya Janata Party and its National Democratic Alliance. He was born on 17 September 1950. Fifth question, when is Goa Foundation Day celebrated? Answer, third. Goa became a full-fledged state on May 30, 1987 and the day is annually celebrated as Goa Statehood Day or Goa Foundation Day. People from the beautiful state of Goa celebrate it with fun and enthusiasm. State and its formation date, Andhra Pradesh 1st November 1953, Arunachal Pradesh 20 February 1987, Assam 2nd December 1928, Bihar 22nd March 1912, Chhattisgarh 1 November 2000, Goa 30 May 1987, Gujarat 1st May 1960, Haryana 1st November 1966, Himachal Pradesh 15 April 1948, Jharkhand 15 November 2000, Karnataka 1st November 1956, Kerala 1st November 1956, Madhya Pradesh 1st November 1950, Maharashtra 1st May 1960, Manipur 21st January 1972, Meghalaya 21st January 1972, Mizoram 20 February 1987, Nagaland 1st December 1963, Odisha 1st April 1936, Punjab 1st November 1966, Rajasthan 30 March 1949, Sikkim 16 May 1975, Tamil Nadu 1st November 1956, Telangana 2nd June 2014, Tripura 21st January 1972, Uttar Pradesh 24 January 1950, Uttarakhand 9th November 2000, West Bengal 20 June 1947. Next question, who has won the Belgrade Open title 2021 recently? Answer, Novak Djokovic. Novak Djokovic warmed up for French Open title by beating Alex Molcan 64-63 to take his 83rd career title Saturday on home soil at the Belgrade Open. Top-ranked Djokovic struggled on serve in the first set as he was broken 3 times by Slovakian opponent. More points. Novak Djokovic is a Serbian professional tennis player. He is currently ranked as number 1 by Association of Tennis Professional. Djokovic has been number 1 for record a total 323 weeks and has finished as year-end number 1 on 6 occasions, an Open era record shared with Pete Sampras. He was born on 22 May 1987, Belgrade, Serbia. Grand Slams won 18, height 1.88 m, nationality Serbia. Seventh question, which state will provide Rs 3,500 for kids orphaned due to COVID-19 per month? Answer, Assam. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma on Saturday announced the Mukhyamantri Shishu Seva Anchoni scheme, which will provide relief to children who have lost their parents due to COVID-19. Himanta Biswa Sarma is an Indian politician and the current Chief Minister of Assam. A former member of INC, Sharma joined BJP on 23 August 2015. He was born on 1st February 1969. Current Governor of Assam is Jagdish Mukhi. Current Affairs of Assam. Jishnu Barawa, Secretary, Assam, on May 8, 2021, launched a digital real-time flood reporting and information management system in the state of Assam. Second point, Ajanda Neoj has become the first woman finance minister of Assam. This is the first time in Assam's history that the post of finance minister was allotted to a woman. More points. Assam's capital is Dispur. Chief Minister is Himanta Biswa Sarma. Population is 3.09 crore. And current governor is Jagdish Mukhi. Language is Assamese. Point of interest, Kaziranga National Park, Kamakhya Temple. Assam is a state in northeastern India known for its wildlife, archaeological sites and tea plantation. In the west, Guwahati, Assam's largest city, features silk bazaars and the hilltop Kamakhya temple. 8th question. Who has launched Young Warrior Movement to combat COVID-19? Answer, CBSE. The Central Board of Secondary Education is inviting national world youth to join Young Warrior Movement. This movement is to engage participants from the age group between 18 to 30 years against ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. More points. CBSE, its official language is Hindi, English. Affiliation 21,271 schools. Chairperson Manoj Ahuja. Headquarters New Delhi. Formation 3rd November 1962. Parent organization Ministry of Education. Ninth question. When is World Milk Day celebrated? Answer, June 1st. World Milk Day is observed every year on 1st June to recognize the importance of milk as a global food. The main objective of this day is to focus activities that are connected to dairy sector. The World Milk Day was established by FAO of the United Nations in 2001. Tenth question. When is Telangana Formation Day observed every year? Answer, June 2nd. The state of Telangana was officially formed on 2nd June 2014. K. Chandrasekhar Rao was elected as the first Chief Minister of Telangana. Following election in Telangana, Rashtra Samiti party secured a majority. 11th question. Who will be appointed as the new president of CII for 2021 and 2022? Answer, TV Narendran. Industry Chamber CII on Monday said it has elected TV Narendran, CEO and MD Tata Steel, as its new president for 2021 and 2022. He takes over from Uday Kotak, Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer, Kotak Mahindra Bank. Next question. Who has won the second gold medal for India at Asian Elite Boxing Championship? Answer, Sanjeet Kumar. India's campaign on Monday came to superb end after two disappointments as Sanjeet Kumar won the second gold medal for the country at Asian Elite Boxing Championship in Dubai. Next question. Which IIT has developed AmbiTag, India's first indigenous temperature data logger? Answer. IIT Ropar. IIT Ropar develops AmbiTag, India's first indigenous temperature data logger for the cold chain management. Next question. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of Magma FinCorp? Answer. Adar Poonawalla. Mumbai-based non-banking finance company Magma FinCorp Limited on Monday announced the appointment of Adar Poonawalla as chairman of the company. Poonawalla is also the chief executive officer of Serum Institute of India, the maker of Oxford University AstraZeneca Covishield vaccine in India. More points. Adar Poonawalla, born on 14 January 1981, is the Chief Executive Officer of Serum Institute of India. Founded in 1966 by his father, Cyrus Poonawalla, it is the world's largest vaccine manufacturer by number of doses produced. Citizenship, India. Education, the Bishop's School, University of Westminster. Related current affairs. Adar Poonawalla, CEO of Serum Institute, which has been vaccinated against the corona pandemic, has been named on the list of 50 world's greatest leaders by the prestigious magazine Fortune. The highlight is that Poonawalla has been ranked in the top 10. Fifteenth question. Who has inaugurated the second floating jetty in Old Goa? Answer. Mansukh Mandavia. Union Shipping Minister Mansukh Mandavia inaugurated the state's second floating jetty, this time at Old Goa. Two more floating jetties at Chapora and Kampal are under construction and could be completed over next couple of months. More points. Mansukh Lakshanbhai Mandavia is the Union Minister of State of Ports, Shipping and Waterways and Union Minister of State for Chemical and Fertilizers. He is also Rajya Sabha member from Gujarat and is a believer of utmost simplicity. He was born on 1st June 1972 in Bhavanagar. Full name Mansukh Lakshmanbhai Mandavia. Party Bharatiya Janata Party. Office member of Rajya Sabha since 2012. Ministers and their departments. S. Jaishankar, Ministry of External Affairs. Amit Shah, Ministry of Home Affairs. Nirmala Sitharaman, Ministry of Finance. Nitin Gadkari, Ministry of Road and Transport. Piyush Goyal, Ministry of Railway. Ramesh Pokhriyal, Ministry of Education. Harsh Vardhan, Ministry of Health and Family. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.